Here's how to customize your chart overlays in Zora. On the chart screen, tap the menu button on the right to open the Tools panel, then tap the Overlays tab. Overlays are grouped into two sections. The first section, Overlays, contains display layers that add information to the chart. AIS vessels, AIS buoys, your waypoints, the grid, and time zones. The second section, Navigation, contains layers tied to your vessel's position. Your track, course over ground, and heading lines, tack line, the line to your waypoint, and the anchor circle when you're stopped. Tap an overlay to toggle it on or off. Active overlays are highlighted. Tapping again hides them. For more control, long press an overlay to open its settings. Heading lines give you the most options: color, thickness, line style, length, and dampening. Length can be set by time, for example, 20 minutes ahead at your current speed, or by distance, like 2 nautical miles. Dampening smooths the line's animation so it doesn't jitter when sensor data is noisy. Heading line color and style apply across every chart widget in Zora, so your headings look the same on every screen. That's it. A cleaner chart showing only what matters for your passage.